In this quick video, I'll show you how to sell Ethereum on Coinbase Pro step by step. So the first step is to go to pro.coinbase.com, then log in. Once you have logged in, click here, type down Ethereum, and then choose your pair. So if you want to trade in Ethereum USD, click here. If you want to trade in Ethereum Euro, click here, and so on. So for example, we're going to trade in Ethereum USDT, then click the sell tab, then choose market limit or stop limit option. So for example, we're going to use market option. Type down Ethereum we want to send, for example, 1 Ethereum. And then this will be your total amount or total value of your Ethereum because you will have to pay a fee of 10.8 USDT. Then click place sell order and it will trigger on the market price. Now once you have sold your Ethereum, you can go back to portfolio and check on the balances if you have a USDT in your portfolio. If you have any questions about how to sell Ethereum on Coinbase Pro, leave a comment below.